Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain GoFundMe app review to see with what you're using. So let's quickly dive into it. The GoFundMe app makes it simple to create, share and manage fundraiser for personal cause like medical bills, emergency or community project. It's easy to use, widely trusted and doesn't charge a platform fee. So more of the donation go directly to the cause. Built-in tools for update and progress track also help campaign stay engaging. On the downside, many user reports frustration with account verification, delay payout and occasional glitches in the app itself. Some features like editing payout schedule can also be buggy. So in conclusion, the app GoFundMe app is worth using for feasibility and ease of use, but be prepared for potential delay and tech hiccup. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Don't hit the notification button and subscribe for more review.